Wow. Welcome. Inclusive. Together. We're all related. Otôtemiwewin.
The Otôtemiwewin Student Lounge is for Indigenous and non-Indigenous students to gather and learn traditional teachings from elders, from peers, knowledge keepers. It's a place where we host our beading workshops, our ribbon skirt workshops. Students can come in here and there's always learning opportunity.
This lounge serves as a place for our students to stay grounded in their culture. Culture and education go hand in hand. This welcoming space embodies friendship and the spirit of community. It is a place for all students to gather, learn, and grow together.
This student space means friendship, and with friendship comes belonging. Our values of community and respect are kind of front and center, and then with that, belongingness in general permeates through all our values. So for somebody that's new to the college, it's kind of a place that makes them feel like home. This offers an opportunity, and for us, an opportunity where any student can come in and feel welcome and build a community. That's another awesome part about this space.
When all of this comes together, we have Otôtemiwewin, which is friendship, a place to belong. We walk together in the Lakeland way through this.